guys, and welcome back to Genie's TA Corner. Today I wanted to share with you guys a very important lesson about homonyms and homophones. So before we get too complicated, let me just share an example. Here I've written what seem to be the exact same word, train and train. Now, in English, the first train means the train that drives on the tracks. It's a mode of transport. But the second word is actually a form of exercise. Athletes will train on their respective events in order to compete more efficiently. But you'll ask, they're spelled the same. How am I supposed to understand whether it's the train that they travel in or it's the verb to train? Well, in that case, you have to look at the context of the sentence. If the sentence demands that that word be a noun, it's probably the train car. But if that sentence demands that it's a verb, it's probably the second, the verb to train. Next, let's move on to the homophone. Here we have two, and two. Now, these are more obvious because they're spelled differently, but they're pronounced exactly the same. So we call them homophone, or similar sound. Now, we know that this is to somebody. You write a letter to somebody. This can be too much, and this is the number 2. So for your homework, I would like you guys to write one sentence using to, one sentence using to, and one sentence using two. Until next week, thank you guys. This is Genie's TA Corner.